Hello everyone, I am Nihar and this is the activity which I have made which I would like to call Enlarged sketching. Everyone likes to sketch, but when it comes to huge sketching there is always a problem. So therefore, to make huge sketchings, I have made this activity by which I can enlarge the sketchings. So here in this activity, I have used a small sketching of a cat on a butter paper, a magnifying lens, a torch behind the butter paper, and a piece of sheet on which the particular image is shown. So here, let me demonstrate this activity to you. Now, as the image of the cat is on the sheet, I copy it down. So as you can see, I have drawn an enlarged image of the cat. Now, let me show you the difference between the two images. As you can see, the image of the cat which I have drawn is way larger than the image of the original cat. So this is done by the principle of refraction in a convex lens, which is the magnifying glass over here. So what happens is that when the object is kept between the focal point or f and the 2f or the twice the focal length, it creates a real, inverted and a magnified image beyond the 2f on the other side of the lens. So this is the principle used in this particular activity. Here, as you can see, we have estimated that the focal length of this particular magnifying glass is about 16 centimeters, and therefore we have kept the image of the cat at approximately 20 centimeters. So this activity is really useful as I can use it to draw huge sketchings and paste them on my school notice board. Thank you.